You think you're doing fine, no crisis, no drama, but beneath the surface, you feel stuck, drained. Something isn't right, and you can't explain it. The culprit? Not one big mistake, but 10 quiet habits that silently erode your life. Let's uncover them, one by one. Saying yes, when you mean no. You agree to help with that thing you don't have time for. You attend events you dread. You let others borrow your time, your energy, and your peace. Why? Because rejection feels scary, but self-betrayal is worse. Boundaries aren't barriers, they're bridges to a healthier you. Boundaries aren't selfish, they're self-respect. Doom scrolling before bed. You lie in bed, phone in hand, endlessly scrolling through news, posts, updates, but every swipe feeds your anxiety. Instead of winding down, your brain revs up, and deep rest slips away. Sleep is your brain's reset button. Don't short-circuit it. Poor sleep equals poor focus equals poor life decisions. Avoiding difficult conversations. There's tension, but you say nothing. You smile through discomfort. You bottle your feelings because it's not worth the fight. But what we avoid festers. Honesty may shake the moment, but it saves the relationship. A short, awkward talk is better than long-term resentment. Overthinking everything. You replay conversations. You imagine what could go wrong. You analyze every tiny choice as if it defines your life. Meanwhile, time passes. Opportunities fade. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from doing. Action beats perfection. Always. Rewarding yourself with junk. Long day. You treat yourself to chips, sugar, fast food. It's comfort, it's quick. But soon the habit becomes the norm. And I deserve this turns into I don't feel well. Food is fuel. Choose what fuels your future. Comfort food becomes a crutch, and your body pays the price. Comparing your life online. You scroll and think, why is their life so exciting, and mine so ordinary? But you're comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. Nobody posts their breakdowns, insecurities, or therapy sessions. Celebrate your real, even if no one claps. People post their trophies, not their tears. Delaying health checkups. You ignore that ache, postpone that blood test, convince yourself it's probably nothing. But early action prevents late regret. Your body whispers before it screams. Listen early. Small issues grow big in silence. Always being busy. Your calendar is full. But are you fulfilled? You rush from task to task, never stopping to ask, is this meaningful? Or just motion? Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is pause. Stillness isn't laziness, it's clarity. Surrounding yourself with negative people. You absorb moods like a sponge. Their complaints become your mindset. Their drama becomes your baseline. It's not judgment, it's self-protection. You owe no one your energy if it costs your joy. Audit your circle. Often. Living on autopilot. You wake up, go through the motions, repeat. The days blur, the weeks fly. You're surviving. But are you living? When routine replaces reflection, you forget what you once dreamed of. Don't just count the days. Make the days count. Routines are fine, but never let them turn into ruts. These aren't loud, dramatic habits. They're the quiet, subtle patterns that wear you down, emotionally, mentally, even spiritually. But the moment you notice them, you begin to take back your power. One shift, one